So you want to get more comments on your LinkedIn posts. Of course you do. Everybody does. So I'm going to show you a quick hack to get way more comments on your next LinkedIn post. Follow me. So this post belongs to one of the top creators on LinkedIn, Yasmin Alec, who also happens to be the person that shared this trick with me. So what you want to do is you want to take a look all the way down at the bottom of his post at the last line. And in there, he's got a PS that reads, "What's your favorite quote ever? Comment below." And as you can see, he has over 1,200 comments on this post. So basically the way this strategy works is that at the end of your LinkedIn post, you add a PS. And in that PS needs to be a simple question that people want to answer. If you make it a complicated question that people need to think too much about, they're not going to answer. But when you make it a very simple question like this one, what's your favorite quote? People want to answer. They want to share their favorite quote. You could also do yes or no questions or ask, do you agree or disagree? All these things are really simple for people to answer. As you can see, that wasn't rocket science. It's really extremely simple. All you need to do is add a PS at the end of your post, ask people a question that's easy for them to answer, and you will get more comments. And I am going to ask you right now to subscribe so that I can get more subscribers. See ya.